Hello guys, my name is Joshua. If you are seeing me for the first time, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And my major reason of doing this video is to give you a tutorial on how to use a Nikon camera for beginners. And please watch to the end of this video, and please don't forget to share and to subscribe. And I'm going to be teaching you on how to that's why I say this video is for beginners. I'm going to teach you how to on your camera, how to on your Nikon camera, how to position it when you want to shoot a video, and I'll give you details on how the camera works. So please stay tuned as we go on now. Now here is the Nikon dslr. Can you see it? This is how it looks like. This is the lens. This is the optical lens. Then here is the touch light. Here is the light. Then here is the button you will switch for the lights to open when you want to snap. Then here is called controlling aperture. Like for instance, now you want to snap a picture. Here you press it. Then if you want to do a video, you turn it by your left hand side. Then for instance, let's say for instance, and you want to snap a picture. This is the front button you press. After which, then for instance, now let's try it again. Let me on the camera for you to see. Can you see it? It has already on. Then you press the middle button. I'm doing this video to somebody whom it may concern. Then here is it. Your camera is now on. Then after which, for instance, you want to take, there's what you call what is it called? The portrait. Then you go back again. Then for instance, now you want to take a picture. Let me take a picture of the ground. You click on this button. This is how you position your camera. You hold it this way. Then you click on it. Have you seen it? You've already take a picture. Then you go back. For instance, now you want to take a video. You want to do a video. You drag this back. Then you click on this red button at the middle. Your video have already been recorded. It has started recording. You can record any video of your choice. You understand? Then you go back again if you want to save the video. Then if you want to check the video you've already made, then you go back. You check here. You click on this up button. Have you seen it? This is the video we just did now. Let me click on it.
Your video have already been recorded. It has started recording. You can record any video.
Can you see it? Can you see how it sounds? Very clear. Alright, let's go back. Look at the picture we took. Look at the video I did yesterday. You understand? So that's the end of this tutorial for now. But for tomorrow, I'm going to be teaching you hidden details on how I just showed you the physical part of the camera which you can use. But I'm going to teach you more on the inside, the software inside. You understand how to operate, how to set this, how to set that. You understand? You get? So that's the end of this video. And please don't forget to share, and don't forget to like, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, my name is Joshua. Please do me a favor by liking this video.